Hello everyone, it's Solomon here, and in today's video we're going to do a detailed breakdown of Binance Dual Investment, and I'll be showing you what dual investment is, how to get started, what you should be looking out for. Binance Dual Investment is one of the best ways you can make money on Binance. It is absolutely a good way to make money, but it has its own risks attached to it, which I'll be showing you exactly in this particular video. So if you don't have a Binance account, in case you're coming here for the first time, go ahead and hit the first link in the description, create your Binance account, and let's get started. You need to verify. Also, if you are verified, you're supposed to see something like this, verified. So go ahead and verify. You can also find videos on my channel on how to use Binance for beginners. So I'm using the desktop. If you're using the mobile app, it's pretty much the same thing, which I'll be showing you. So to access Binance Dual Investment, all you have to do is to come to where you see earn. If you're on the mobile app, you will need to go to more and scroll down to where you see earn, and then go ahead and search for dual investment. This is it. You click on it. After clicking on it, this is what you're supposed to see. They said dual investment, monetize your market view and get access to potentially high rewards. This is absolutely one of the ways you can make a lot of money on Binance. So I will be showing you that. So when you come to Binance Dual Investment, you can actually see this particular interface, and there are two sides to Binance Dual Investment. There is the beginner mode and there is the advanced mode. And when you scroll down, you can see actually APR. APR means annualized percentage rate. You can see the returns you can get. I will explain everything in detail. Just be sure to stay to the end of the video to get every single detail that I'll be explaining to you. So let me take it back to the beginner mode, because most of you, I will suggest you start with the beginner mode because it is a bit risk-free that you can start out with. So when you scroll down, you can also find FAQs where you can ask questions like, what is dual investment? Dual investment gives you an opportunity to buy or sell cryptocurrency at your desired price and date in the future, while earning high interest yield no matter which direction the market goes. I will show you what that means. When you come here, look at this, and up here you can see you can select different cryptos. Assuming you have BTC, you have ETH, you have BNB, you can do both sides. You can do for your crypto or you can do for your USDT. I will show you how to do that shortly. So when you come to Ethereum, assuming you have Ethereum or assuming you have BTC, when you come here, find product. Can you see? Find BTC product. I will just go ahead and explain it in a simpler way that you will understand. Now you have BTC in your possession right now, assuming you have one BTC or whatever amount of BTC in your possession. What you're telling the market is that, no, I am sure that BTC will not reach 26,500 in the next, today is 12th, right? You can see today is 12th of August, and then there is a target date before 16th. I am sure that BTC is not going to reach 26,500. If it reaches, please sell it. You will sell it definitely once it reaches. But if it did not reach 26,500, I will have 6.62 APR yield added to me. I will hold my BTC and then I will have this additional money in BNB added to me. I don't know whether you understand. So it's just like you doing option trading. You're saying, okay, at so time, this market will not go up there, this market will not go down here. If you are used to spot betting or option or binary option, you will know exactly what I'm saying. So you have BTC, like one BTC right now. Let's check the price of BTC right now. Look at the price of BTC right now in the market. When you come up here, the price of BTC right now in the market is 23,960. And where is 25? Let's see, 25,500 around this level. Okay, let me show you how it means. I will be taking time to explain this in detail because most people don't get this rightly. Let me take a horizontal line and place it here and place it right here. Okay, let me drag it down a bit. Okay, 25,500. Okay, so you are saying in the next 4 to 5 days, BTC will not go up to this level. Let me take a writing. Let me pick this so that I will show you brush. Let me say, okay, BTC will not rise to this level. As it is now, it will just remain there or it will go down. So if BTC rises to this level, you will have to sell your BTC. Let me go back to it. So what they're saying is that this is the target. If BTC reaches this level, okay, it's even 26,000. So let me show you, not even 25, it's 26,000. Let me take it up. Let me take it up a bit so that I will show you 26,500. It's even up here. So you are saying BTC will not reach this level. If it reaches, just sell it and give me dollar so that I will hold. You will sell your BTC by force to the people. Do you understand? So when you come here, you can see that they said the target price. So you actually have a target price and then the APR. After the days have ended, the target date, this is it. And then BTC did not reach there, you will still hold your BTC and have this percentage, annualized percentage. It's not 6%, it's annualized. So you get around 0 point something or 0.5 or 0 point something percentage added to your BTC. I don't know whether you understand. If you don't understand, ask me question in the comment section, or you can come to the FAQ and check what exactly they are. So if you have Ethereum, likewise, let me go to Ethereum. If you have ETH, whatever amount of ETH, you are saying, they are telling you that at this date, if Ethereum reached 2,150 on 16th, if you are selling, no, they say, okay, you say, me, I'm sure it will not reach. If you are good to technical analysis, you can do both ways. So I will show you one of the secrets of making money with this. So if Ethereum reaches $2,150, okay, let me change it to Ethereum so that you will see exactly what I'm saying. Let's say ETH USDT, so that I will show you how exactly this thing is working. So I have Ethereum in my possession. So what you're saying is that, look at it, Ethereum is currently 1,885. If I have Ethereum in my possession, I'm saying, yes, I'm sure based on I am very sure that Ethereum will not go up to, let me carry horizontal line, to 2,150, right? Let me take it down to that position, 2,150, around this level. So I'm sure Ethereum will not come here. You're actually telling, or you're betting in the market, you're doing this bet that once it reaches here, sell my Ethereum and give me USDT or US dollar to hold back. So I'm selling it by force. But if it did not reach, I will hold my Ethereum and have this percentage to me in the next like 4 days. Now this is for the sell side, but when you go to the buy side, right, you go to the buy side. The buy side is mostly when you're holding a stable coin like USDT or BUSD. So you are sure of this, that Ethereum will not drop down to 1,650. Let me take it to that level. Look at it. If Ethereum drops down to 1,600 and something, around this level. So if Ethereum did not drop down to this level, I will have this percentage. I will have 9.202 annualized percentage already added to me. So this is what you're saying. So you have USDT. If it did not reach, I will have my USDT back and make this percentage on my money. But if it reaches, they will sell Ethereum for me by force. It will automatically trigger because you entered. And then this is, you cannot cancel it. Once you activate it, it will sell. So this is how it works. I don't know whether you understand. Ask me any question in the comment. I will be right there to answer you and show you exactly what it means. So this is absolutely beautiful, especially in a bullish market. If you are sure the market is bullish, you are sure that it will not come down, you keep on betting, you keep on betting for it, and you're getting percentage every single week, every single few days. So this is how it works. You can use either BUSD or USDT for that. So that is how to use. You can also increase the percentage, guys, according to the risks. You can scroll down, you can see different percentage. You can go up to 143.84%, but this time around you're saying it will not drop down to this level in the next 4 days. Look at it, getting 143%. That's huge money. Okay, that's like doubling your money within that few times. So you can change different amount. So let me show you. Before you can activate it, you will answer some quiz, which I will show you the response. I will pin the answers to this if in case you want to try it in the first comment, so that you will be able to respond without any stress. So this is the quiz you've been answering. I will show you how to answer it. Just follow everything I'm doing. What kind of product is dual investment? This is the answer. They said, what is the target price settlement date in dual investment? They said target price is I want to buy or sell. This is it. Once I subscribe, will my target price ever change? Target price can never change. I'm hoping to sell BTC. I will have 50,000 BUSD plus interest yield in BUSD. Go ahead and just follow it, right? I will also put the answers in the comment. I will pin it right there so that you have access to it. This is it. This is the response. And then the last one is the risks of the market. So I'll click on submit. So this is it. I got all of them right, I will click on done. So I'll go to dual investment. So this is how to do it. The target price is when you click on next. I've already answered it. Assuming I'm investing 100, okay, there is no enough asset in your balance. I'm just showing you this. I only have BUSD, so let me change it to BUSD. For instance, let me go back and change it to BUSD. Since I only have BUSD in my wallet, I will show you. Sorry guys, this video is taking long. I really want to explain this for you so that you get it. So I actually have BUSD. Let's say I'm using 500 BUSD, and then I'm telling them, if I click on next, I'm doing this for Ethereum, click on this. They said this, and then you click on next. You'll be able to do that. You're betting for that. I'm not going to do that because I'm just trying to show you exactly how this works. So going back to the advanced mode of this, the advanced mode, they have different prices, target price, and then the percentage. That's the difference. And then in this, you can select whether you want to do your USDT or you want to do BUSD. So all you have to do is to click on subscribe. If you want to do for this BTC at this particular price, and this is the percentage, the date is 19th, you click on subscribe. So go ahead and try it. You now put in your detail. You can see next step. So right in here, you can see that you are saying that the price is not going up to this level. Once it goes up to this level, I want to sell it. I want to sell it. Once it goes up to this level, I want to sell it, and it will automatically sell whether you like it or not. Or if you are doing for the below, it is not going lower than this. Either way, whether you are buying high or you're selling low. So this is actually how to use the Binance Dual Investment. When you come here, you can see the return calculator where you can put in the amount and see the return you will have. Assuming I'm selling 0.003 BTC, right? Settlement amount is 75 BUSD using this percentage. If in case this did not reach up there, look at this, 49.49%. So go ahead and check it, guys. This is all about this video for today. So guys, go ahead and check it. There are different kinds of percentage. 24,500. Look at the percentage, 16. You can try it if you want to do it, but I advise you go for the beginners mode to try and do that. So this is all about this video, guys. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn the bell notification. Thank you for watching.